So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Nintendo Switch 2 Joy-Cons are just not working. Now, number one, the biggest thing I'd recommend doing before going too far into it is making sure that your Joy-Cons are properly connected to your Nintendo Switch 2, and also making sure that your Nintendo Switch 2 Joy-Cons are discovered by your Switch. So you can do this, number one, by starting off at the bottom bar. When you're at the bottom bar, you'll see this little Joy-Con option, which is right here. Try tapping on that Joy-Con option. Now, when you see this particular page right here, right, this indicator, these little battery indicators right underneath it actually showcase your live battery in these Joy-Cons. If you don't see your Switch connected to any Joy-Con like this, that's going to be a problem. What you're going to want to do is go ahead and disconnect your Joy-Con from your Nintendo Switch. So it's going to look something like this, right? You gotta click that button in the back, disconnect it. Now what you want to do is you want to take a very close look at this particular side of your Nintendo Switch. So you might want to make sure nothing is kind of propped out. You want to make sure everything is good here. Also, same thing with your Nintendo Switch side here. Make sure that there's nothing kind of stuck here and no issues. That's going to be the first thing. The reason why you want to do that is to go ahead and make sure that this thing is, connecting right. Because if this thing is not connecting right, it's also going to affect the battery life. So go through, try reconnecting it, and you want to see what happens. A majority of the time, that's probably going to end up fixing the issue. It's just disconnecting the controller and then connecting it back in. If that still doesn't work, you can also try going through and try updating your Nintendo Switch. So restart it if you want to, if that doesn't help, but if that doesn't help, click on the settings option at the bottom, scroll down, find the system update panel right here, click on system update, and try going through and updating your Nintendo Switch. And that can be another thing to go and fix this problem as well. So those are basically the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, Soul.